Right, let's get this in focus. That looks about right. What is happening, guys? No vlog, no tutorial this weekend. Instead, I'm going to be running a massive giveaway for the channel. We are now coming up to a year anniversary of the hottest speed rope on the planet. This is obviously the money rope. This video is being made for my hardcore OG subscribers out there. And listen, I can't thank you guys enough for letting me get to the point where I'm at right now in this channel and in my life in general, guys. You guys have turned it around for the better. And I want to do as much as I can for the month of August. We launched this guy August the 20th last year, and literally my life has just gone full 360. I feel like a kid again. I feel so excited about waking up every single day and just trying to put as much content and value out there for the world. And to just kind of, I don't know, to explain to you, hopefully if I can in words, just what this piece of plastic has done to my life. I'm an accountant. A lot of you guys ask me what I do for a day job. I work in an oil and gas company, and as much as I love what I do there as well, this is my passion, to help the world and to provide value and to just enjoy what I do, enjoy my talents and share it with the world. And I want you guys to do the same, and that's where we're always going with this channel, which is to motivate, to inspire, and just, yeah, in general, just have fun. Like, that is what life is all about. Don't throw it away, guys. Don't throw your one shot at life away doing something that you don't like on a day-to-day basis. And soon enough I'm going to be going full-time with this channel, and I can't wait. Honestly, I can't wait. Anyway, enough of the kind of pleasantries and nice words as I always do. I want to get down to this giveaway. It's really simple. All you need to do is comment down below. You've got 3 options. There's 3 giveaways I'm doing right now, and you just have to tell me what one you want to go for. If it's all free, it's all free, but maybe some of them you don't want to go for. I'll get down to that. Right, one more thing also, you need to let me know where you guys are from. So what you're going to do is, if you're from the USA, you're going to say USA crew, and then you're going to just give me the option that you're going for. Simple as that. Right, so let's go. Number one, the first giveaway is going to be a £50 voucher to my website. So that means you could buy anything and anything on the website up until £50, add it to an existing order, do what you want with it. It's £50, it's yours. Second option is to get the first you can be the first in the world to get hold of the Phantom Zip hoodie. So here it is on the screen right now. That is the Phantom Zip hoodie, guys. I've got the shipment in. This launch is ready for September, and this hoodie is phenomenal. It feels so good. It's light, it's breathable, it's made for lifestyle and training at the same time. It's got some really cool details about it. So be the first in the world to get that, so apply for that if you really like the look of that. And the third one is basically for anyone who is in the UK or in London in the next couple of months, but wants to maybe have a one-to-one training session with me right here at the HQ. I'm looking at it right outside here, right outside this window. Yeah, come to the gym, give you a little personal tour and give you a one-to-one training session with myself, and we can maybe hang out for a little bit. But yeah, if you're in the UK or if you're in London, obviously, let me know down below. Just say UK crew, London crew, whatever you want to say, and we can organise something if you do win that. So there's going to be definitely 3 winners, guys. Apply for all of them if you want to apply for all of them. Yeah, I'm going to choose someone at random very soon. And I think I'm going to just basically, yeah, I don't know, maybe in a couple of weeks I'm going to announce the winners. So this video has been made for my OG subscribers. No edits, no cuts, no nothing. Just wanted to get it out there. I hope you guys do apply. Comment down below. Drop a like on this video so I know that you guys are still supporting. And yeah, we're just going to go just bigger and better as we always do. Next month we've got the USA tour. Yeah, Venice Beach. You guys ready? New York, are you guys ready? I'm so excited, guys. I'm bringing a little crew with me, and yeah, we're going to be doing a couple of collabs as well with a couple of just phenomenal, cool personalities that you guys also know. So listen, this video is about 4 minutes long now. That's way too long for me. I wanted it to be about 3 minutes. But guys, without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.